What's up, guys? I know I hardly do any videos at all, but a lot of times the customers don't want me recording and that sort of thing. And anyhow, I had a weird one today, this morning. They called me and they said they had no power on when they plugged into shore power, and they got a big, big Class A with 50 amp service, all that stuff, but it runs fine on the generator. I'm like, okay, well, my first thought is, oh, that transfer switch is probably crap, because everyone I've ever went to, but usually they don't have any power at all. They don't work on either side. So I'm like, huh. So this is one of those surge guard something, but it's a transfer switch and a surge guard, and the red lights are flashing on it. I go inside, it's got a readout, a display inside. It says line 1 and line 2 high voltage. I'm like, that's weird. And so I go over to the post, unplug the short cord, and yeah, I got 134 volts on each leg of the 50 amp service. So I go into the manual on this surge guard, and yeah, if it's over 132 volts, it won't allow it to switch over to short power. So just want to put that out there, keep it in mind. I'll try and start doing more videos. They'll probably just be like this, me explaining what just they take 2 on that one. Forgot how I figured out what was going on. Redundantly, I plugged the coach. I got a 3,000 watt inverter in here, so I got a little pigtail, 20 amp to 50 amp. I didn't know if it was even going to work, but as soon as I plugged it in, turned my inverter on, transfer switch engaged. Went inside, microwave's on, everything's fine. Just had high voltage on the plug they had installed on their house, and they said it worked fine for a couple of years. And then here lately, so I don't know. I don't know what the remedy is going to be for that, for having high voltage coming into the house. So maybe you guys somebody can tell me in the comments, like, I'm an idiot. I mean, I know that, but I just don't know how the voltage is too high, only by a few volts even, but that surge protector is really sensitive. So like I said, I plugged it into the van had like 123 volts, and it, boom, switched it instantly. So keep that in mind, fellas. Get out there and fix something. Warrior RV out.